This is exercise 3B, D1 updated 7th edition, and the topic is the percentages. And we are working with question number 15 here. What question number 15 says, it is almost the same one as we've done 13 and 14. Over here, the value of investment portfolio decreases by 8% in 2010. In 2011, its value increases by 5% of its value in 2010. So, given that at the end of the given that the value of the portfolio at the end of 2011 was this one, this is replaced, the dollar is replaced by Pakistani rupees, so you'll change it accordingly, find its original value. So let the original value of the portfolio, we have to talk about its original value, so we are going to suppose it, let the original value be X. And there is an decrease of 8% in 2010. So in 2010, what it would be, the value of the portfolio, the value of the portfolio will be it is decreases by 8%. So you'll use this concept first. Whatever it is, the original value, let the original value was X, and there is a decrease of 8% in this value in 2010. So it becomes 1x minus 0.08x, and your final answer comes 0.092x. You can do it manually. Then in 2011, there is a little bit change condition. The value, whatever it was in 2010, in 2010 it is coming this one, it is increases by 5%. So there is increase of 5% in this value. So we'll take 5% of this value, and then there is an increase. So it becomes plus 0.05 multiplied by this 0.92x. So your final answer comes 0.966x. So this is the value in 2011. But in the statement they've given you in 2011, I'm doing it in the continuity of the question. This is the first portion done here, this is the second in the continuity, and this is the last portion of the question. So it is also given in 2011, the value is this one, and according to the calculation in 2011 we have this value. First it is decreased by 8%, then it is increased by 5%, and then finally we come up with this solution. We'll divide it by 0.966, and your final answer becomes 64,000. So this is the original value of the portfolio, $64,000, or the Pakistani rupees. So whatever currency unit is given, you can use that one. So I'm going to revise this question number 15. The value of an investment portfolio decreases by 8% in 2010. In 2011, its value increases by 5% of its value in 2010. So given that at the end of 2011 it is 61,824 rupees. find its original value. We have to calculate its original value, and every time there is like increase or decrease in the previous value. So in 2010 it is given from the book where I've mentioned it with first star in the question, then with the this two stars in the question. This is the given data in the question, and this the third star in the question. You can mention the given statement of the question with stars to make it easy for you. Let the original value be x. In 2010 the value is decreases by the first star statement. Its values decreases by 8% of the value what it was originally. So we come up with this solution. Then in 2011 again, whatever it was in 2010, there is an increase of 5% in that value, and you come up with this answer. और फिर उसके बाद it is given in the book कि इसकी 2011 में तो value ये वाली है. With the help of this value, this is the value which we are getting with the calculation, and this is the given value. So इन दोनों को definitely ये भी 2011 की value है और ये भी 2011 की value है. This is in the multiplicative form of the value in 2010. तो हमने इन दोनों को equate कर दिया, दोनों equal हैं और we can easily get the value in what it was originally. So this was all about question number 15.